What's up, Liz? Steve Chavez, what's good? LD Juan Kenobi, Big Dog, what's up, Danny? Jose Gutierrez. Oh, here we go. Looks like somebody's coming out. Deborah Newell. Yeah, I'm by myself, Deborah. Sally from the Valley, what's good? What's up, Reggie? Gil's back. Richard, none of your business. None of your be news.
You are?
Shandu.
How you doing?
Shandu Shala.
How you doing?
Heraka Heraka Hamar. Shandu Shala Heraka Hamahera. Heraka. Heraka Heraka Hamar. Shandu Shala Heraka Hamar.
I can't understand.
Shandu Shala?
I can't understand.
Shandu Shala?
God bless you.
Shandu Shala Heraka Ham.
God bless you.
Heraka Heraka Shala Heraka.
God bless you.
Sham Sham Salam. Sham Sham Salam. Oh my God. Very confused. Very confused individual. Real is 213. Miss you, man. We miss you. That was a good audit we had that day. Oh, here we go, guys. Round two. Round two. Round two. Here we go. Here we go. Hit that thumbs up for me, guys. Hit that thumbs up. There's 300 of us here. 349. So let's get 348 thumbs up, except for Bell.
You taking video?
Very good.
Taking video?
Very good. Video. Very good.
This is private property.
Very good. Property. Yes. Video property. Video, property, everything. Very good.
You don't speak English?
Shandushallah Harakahamaherar. Inshallah.
I'm sorry?
Shalamihala, my friend. Era Hamahara.
I don't know what that means.
Era egg roll.
What's that?
Friday.
What's that mean?
Simple Friday, sir. Egg roll. Very good. Shandushallah Harakahamaherar. Shrimp fried rice, egg roll. Marmakat. Right away.
Okay.
No backpack. Not backpack. Not back. Not. Shrimp fry, egg roll, everything. Rosa here. Kung Pachan Durdar Hirakamahera. Very good. Everything good. Shandushallah. Flawless, everything. Just goes to show how much work we have to do out here, guys. It never ends. Never ending story, guys. What is problem here, my friend? Eyes all around, my friend. Very good. Very good.
camera for?
Shandu, inshallah, my friend. Very good. Shandu, inshallah, harakahema hera. Everything.
Everything?
Yes, my friend.
Okay.
Very good.
Good.
Thank you, my friend. Right. So no, we create our own platforms for people to enjoy. You know, should be no discrimination. Everybody should have the freedom to do what they want.
Can I ask you why you videotape me?
Videotaping.
Okay.
Everything.
Do you have a permission to videotape me?
Everything. Video. Everything here.
You know I could sue you for videotaping
Your
me.
mother can sue me, my friend. Your mother sue, my friend.
Okay, so what's...
Chop suey, your pork and fried rice, everything.
Oh, now you're making... You're racist, huh?
You're racist, my friend.
Oh, yeah, you are?
Oh, yes.
So why the fuck are you doing this?
Your mother
Huh?
racist, my friend.
So why are you doing this?
Shut up,
Huh?
shut up, my friend.
Shut up.
Shut up, man.
Look, can you move over? I don't want you to get run over, so move over here.
You're a move over here, my friend.
Okay, you're not allowed to videotape me.
You're a move over here, my friend.
You're not allowed to videotape my...
Your mother is not allowed to videotape, my friend. Your mother. Not allowed, my friend.
You're gonna get hit by a truck. Okay, that's gonna be you. That's gonna be
Your mother's gonna get hit by truck, my friend. Very slow. Not good. Everything. Everything, my friend. All of a sudden, I'm racist because I said pork fried rice or shrimp fried rice. I was putting in an order. Why does that make me racist, Belle? Why would that make me racist? Because I said pork fried rice, shrimp fried rice? Sick. Yeah, I don't have a lot of room to grow really big plants, but I exaggerate when it comes to golas, even though, you know, this time I kind of messed up this run again because I let the bottom feeders stick around. I didn't think they were gonna. I thought they were gonna produce some good ones, some good nugs, but they ended up producing, you know, all the top golas are really nice, but the bottom ones are not so nice. But it's still a lot of production. Still there, still there.
¿De parte de dónde viene? What you doing here?
Inshallah, heraka hema hera. Inshallah. 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 Shanduli?
En inglés, dígame.
Shalami, hala, my friend. Everything. Pack, everything. Everything. Very good. Very good.